Ever wondered how to make those awesome YouTube shorts that pop up on your feed? Well, what if I told you you could create them super easily with Canva? No more skills required. In just a few clicks, you can turn your ideas into eye-catching videos, all from your phone or computer. Let me show you how to do it. So, hello everyone, I hope everything is doing well. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step how to make a YouTube shorts with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So to get started, all you have to do is just sign up with canva.com. If you already have an account, you have just to log in and you find your account as you can see. Right, so let's get started with Canva. Firstly, let's know what is Canva. Canva is a super easy design tool that lets you create all sorts of content like graphics, videos, and presentations as well, without needing any fancy design skills. For YouTube Shorts, Canva has pre-made templates and features that help you create a catching, professional-looking videos in minutes, right from your phone or computer. It's like having a personal design studio at your fingertips. So here we have it. What is Canva? To get started, you have just to sign up as I said, and here we have the button of sign up and login. I don't have these buttons because I already have signed up and I have an account. That's why I will click over home and you will find the page, which is this one as you can see. So it's very easy to sign in up on Canva. You have just to add your email address and your password, then you get started. So here we have this page as you can see. Right now you have just to click over search your content and you search for whatever you want. For example, I search for YouTube shorts videos and I will find a various templates here. You can just select the one you think it's better for you. Here we have some templates that I liked, and right now we have also here other templates as you can see. You can just click over see all here and you'll find a various templates as you can see. Right, you can just right now select your template as you can see. Here we have it. We have here 20,000 templates, and right now I will just click over all filters and I will select the category that I think it's better for me. For example, if it's related to the business, such as document, presentation, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, and other things. If it's for social media, and also we have education, video, we have marketing as well. Then we have here also print products and cards and invitation. So let's come back here and let's go to the video. I will select here the option of YouTube video and I will scroll down and then I will here select if I want format. Also we have the style, the language as well as you can see. Then we have theme, feature, grade, subject, topic, and then we have the price. I will select the free one. Then we have here also the color. I will select the white one and I will click over apply, and here we have the template that I want. For example, all right, here we have these templates. Here we have 1300 templates as you can see. I will just here select the template that I think it's better. For example, I will select these templates and I will click over customize this template and you will find the page of design Canva. Right, to get started right now, all I have to do is just see your template by clicking over here, and you have here our short videos. I don't like this one. I will just go to the design and I will search for short YouTube videos as you can see. And we have the templates, and also we have here the option of style. If you want here the styles, and we have also here the templates, you can just select the one you want. For example, have here watching, we have here other things as you can see, and also we have here the option for elements, and you search also here for video short YouTube. All right, and right now you can just click over videos to select only videos that show up only these things. I will just scroll down right now to see all the template, and I will select the template better than this one. For example, I will select this one. It's dependent to watching videos, for example. All right, here we have it, and I will click over here to see our template or our short videos as you can see. There you have it as you can see. If you don't like this one, you can just delete it. Also, if you don't like this one, you have just to delete it as well. And here we have if you want to zoom in, if you want to zoom out, also if you want to hear the option of scroll view, we have here also grid view if you want to preview, and if you want to ask anything Canva, and you will get your response. All right, here we have, for example, elements. I will use it also. For example, I will just here write YouTube logo, for example. Then I will click over enter, and then you will find graphics here, and you have to search for yours. For example, I will select this one or this one, and then I will just modify the size, and I'll put it here in the top left, modify the size as well, and then I will just go to the text, and I will add a little bit of body text here, and also here I will put it here, and I'll modify also the size. For example, I'll put here 30, and then I'll modify here the color. I will select the white one because I have the background which is the black one and it's not clear. That's why I choose this color. Also, I will choose here the option of bold, and right now I will add whatever I want. For example, I will add my channel. For example, I will just give an example, which is Mr. Beast. It's just an example. Here we have it, as you can see. And then you can add also if you want a Gmail and other things. And also if you do a short video that present your restaurant, you have just to add location or other things depending. You can add location also by just go to the elements, and you add here the logo of location, the logo of email, and other things. We have various things in the elements. For example, also we have here the option of uploads. For example, if you don't like all these things, you can just create your own short videos, and you have just to upload files from your computer, and you put it here. As you can see, I already here we have some examples for the background that I upload from my computer. All right, and then we have also the option of text. If you want to add a heading, add a text box, magic right, add your print fonts, add a heading as well. You have a subheading if you want, add a little bit of body text, and we have here font combination as well. Alright, do you have here the option of print? If you want to add logos, colors, fonts, print voice, photos, graphics, icons. You have want to add, if you want to upload something, as I said, then you have here the option of draw. For example, I will select this color, and I will draw something here, as you can see. If I don't like it, I will just click over endo, or I will select here the option of eraser, and I will delete this one, as you can see. Then also you can select here the color that you want. For example, I will select this one, and you will select other color if you want. Also, we have a project application as well. Then we have QR code. So this is how you can design your template, and you get started by creating your short videos. Right now, you have just to share this video by clicking over share, and you copy the link and you share it with your friends. Also, you can here have other options, such as if you want to share it on YouTube and other things as well. So right now here we have how it looks, and here we have our video, as you can see. And here we have it. You can just get started as soon as possible. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.